awesome teams. Movie Bite 1, the magic of team relationships. Welcome to your first session.
Hello dear team, I'm Ben, your virtual avatar who will accompany you on your journey through your development as a team. I would like to briefly introduce you to what you can expect in this first session, just as I will always give you an overview for all other sessions. There is a magic in every encounter, and today this magic is called relationship. I said before that there is magic in every encounter, but it's the trust we build along the way that keeps the magic alive. You have been probably working together for some time now, you have shared meetings, deadlines, successes, and probably a few stressful moments. And yet, trust isn't something we check off once and never revisit. It grows, deepens, and sometimes needs a little care. Let's take a short moment today to reflect and reconnect, not with roles or tasks, but with the people behind them. Let's go around and each share one small thing you appreciate about this team or someone in it, something that has made a difference for you. It doesn't have to be big or formal, just something real. Ready? Here we go. The first one starts and then it continues in a clockwise direction. You can press pause here and press play again when you have finished. Then we continue with today's session. So, see you later.
We hope from this just 1 minute 40 seconds you got a good impression of a first sequence of our bite-sized movie-based content for team development and discussions.
Imagine several of these sequences adding up like a Netflix series to a 45 to 60-minute session for you and your team. And in each quarter, you do one of these sessions in one of your team jur fixes. And the topics follow each quarter your annual cycle as a team. For instance, you start with purpose and alignment in January. The goal of this session is to establishing a shared direction and strategy. Clarify team goals and expectations. Key topics are among others. Aligning team goals with organizational objectives, create lasting team operating agreements, and increase psychological safety as a foundation. In Q2, you work on communication styles and preferences, establish shared decision-making frameworks, and talk about resource allocation strategies and prioritization. And this annual cycle continues because all leaders know team development is not taking a break between annual kickoff offsite and team Christmas party.
There is also the possibility to have more than 4 sessions a year. Just put one session occasion related in, if there is a specific request, topic or problem in the team. See you and your team soon at the Change Pioneers Academy.
Change Pioneers. Pioneering team excellence. Together we ignite a sustainable tomorrow.